Big news, Shorts revenue sharing and more ways to earn grow with YPP in 2023. Announcement. Hi creators. Today we shared some exciting announcements on the YouTube blog, highlighting big updates coming to the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, over the next year, whether you're new to monetizing or hitting your 1000th upload. These updates are designed to reward all types of creators and help even more of you start making money on YouTube. Jump to the links below for more about what these updates mean for you and your channel. We're sharing as much info as we can today about potential timing and eligibility, and we'll continue to share more specific details in the coming months. More ways to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. New earning opportunities for Shorts creators. Evolving the soundtrack of YouTube. Prefer watching over reading? Check out the video we just posted on the YouTube Creators channel, New Shorts Ad Revenue, New Paths to YPP, Earlier Fan Funding, Shorts Super Thanks and more.